Big news for Samsung fans. The wait is almost over, as the official launch date for Samsung's Galaxy S25 series has been confirmed. Mark your calendars for January 22, 2025. According to a leaked teaser, Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event will take place in San Jose, California, kicking off at 10 a.m. Pacific Time. This event is set to showcase not just one, but four Galaxy S25 models: the S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and the brand new S25 Slim. And that's not all. Samsung is also rumored to unveil its exciting Project Muon virtual reality headset at the same event. Stay tuned as we dive into what we can expect from these flagship releases and what might make the S25 Ultra the ultimate choice for power users. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to steal the spotlight at Samsung's upcoming Unpacked event, and here's why. This device is rumored to pack a stunning 200MP camera, but it doesn't stop there. Samsung is introducing a new variable aperture system for even better low-light photography and depth control. Whether you're shooting in daylight or at night, this camera could redefine smartphone photography. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra is expected to feature the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy chipset, which was recently launched at the Snapdragon event, ensuring blazing fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and more. Paired with up to 16 GB of RAM, it's designed to handle everything you throw at it. Battery life. Samsung is rumored to use stacked battery technology, offering a higher capacity and better efficiency, so you can push through your day without worrying about recharging. And yes, the S Pen, likely with improved precision and features for productivity enthusiasts like me. Design-wise, we're looking at slimmer bezels and a more round aesthetic instead of the corners, making the S25 Ultra not just powerful, but also one of the sleekest phones on the market. With all these features, it's clear why this device is the centerpiece of Samsung's 2025 lineup. How can we forget the small sibling like S25 and S25 Plus? These two phones comes in handy for the people who aren't a techie and want a less complex and reliable flagship from the Samsung. We are not expecting any major changes in this department except the minor updates and features, like it will of course come with the same flagship 8 Gen 4 processor and a huge battery that will help it last whole day. By the way, do you like this phone or the Ultra version of the S25 series? Tell me in the comments. This year, Samsung is expected to launch or showcase two new products, which is a phone and a virtual reality headset. We are almost 100% sure that the S25 Slim will make a huge buzz in the tech industry, and it will be the answer to the Apple's upcoming iPhone Air. Although we don't know about the specs of this phone, but yes, it will have 6.7-inch OLED 120Hz screen with HDR Plus support and triple rear camera, set up with the combination of the 200MP main and a 50MP telephoto and ultrawide. As this phone will be a lot lighter and thin, so you can expect a smaller battery in there. The last product we know is coming is Samsung's virtual reality headset, which is the direct answer to the Apple's overpriced headset. As Samsung will be realizing it, then we can expect a lot less expensive price tag. But I may be wrong, as nowadays Samsung also produces phones which are really expensive. This headset will also have the same hand gestures controls like the Apple does. As far as I know, the Apple's controls were smooth and flawless, so it would be a lot interesting to see how Samsung will be executing the same hand gestures controls like Apple. So this was up for the video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more future tech-related videos and updates.